yourself?
Okay, so for instance, for example, I am reading students, and I've seen students that are really struggling, especially in reading. So I think the oral program really needs to be talked about because it serves as the foundation of how do students keep up with their learning competencies that is needed for each grade level.
Okay, good afternoon, ma'am. We are journalists from the Tribune, and we would like to ask you the question: as a campus journalist, why do you think the Division Schools press conference helped bring attention or issue to the issues or topics such as what was discussed earlier, which is the oral program po and different learning interventions conducted by National High School?